So first of all, what are the required components for this course? The components that we are going to use for all of the projects that we are going to build in this course. The first component that we need is a microcontroller. The one I will be using is Arduino Nano. Microcontroller is like a brain of a system as it controls all the if-else conditions, what will happen if this thing happens, all of these conditions. All of different scenarios are stored inside of this microcontroller and it instructs all of the other devices to operate accordingly. The second component that we need is a Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module enables us to communicate between two devices. We will use the Bluetooth module to send commands from our mobile phone either through an app or through voice recognition to our Arduino so that we can control devices from our smartphone. It has the total of 6 pins as you can see right here. We have a state pin which tells us whether it is currently connected to a device or not. Then we have the RxD pin which is for receiving the signal, TXD pin for transmitting the signal, then we have the ground and VCC pins, and at the last we have the enable pin. Enable pin is used for switching between different modes of Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module that we are using is HC05. It has two modes, data mode or command mode. It has two modes, data mode or command mode. Data mode enables us to communicate between different devices, but the AT command mode is more like a Bluetooth module that we are using is HC05. It has two modes, data mode which is also called connection mode and the AT command mode. Data mode is used for communicating with other devices, while AT command mode is used for setup and configuration of module. The one we will be using throughout this course is the data mode of Bluetooth module. The next component that we need is the relay module. As you can see right here, this is a two-channel relay. They comes in different shapes like 1 channel, 4 channel or 8 channel. Depends upon the number of devices that you are going to control using Arduino. So relay is an electrical switch that is operated by an electromagnet. It allows us to either open or close an electric circuit. So this enables us to send a signal from Arduino, and according to that signal, that switch will be either open or closed, thus resulting in our electric device connected to the relay turning on or off. This is the one channel relay and it allows us to connect a single electronic device to our Arduino. How does this work? We will discuss it in the later section. Now the second component that we have right here is a two channel relay. As you can see right here, it allows us to connect two electronic devices at the same time to our Arduino and control them according to the conditions that are stored in the Arduino. So here you can see that it has the VCC pin and input 1 and input 2 pins for both of our electronic devices, and here we have the switch, and here we have a total of 6 pins, 3 for each relay. We have our common pin in the center, normally open pin and normally closed pin. We will discuss them in detail in the later section, but for now let's move on to the next component, which is the DC voltage source. We need DC voltage source for our Arduino Nano, Bluetooth module and the relay module. Next we have the AC voltage source. It will be provided directly to our electronic device. Now the last component that we are going to discuss is the electronic device itself. It can either be a fan or a light bulb. The choice is totally yours. Other than these components, we are also going to use jumper wires, breadboard, and a screwdriver. So these are all the components that we are going to use throughout this course for our different projects.